First, on the Middle East, I would like to express again my shock and grave concern by the tragic events that took place yesterday with the so-called Freedom Flotilla sailing to Gaza. The loss of life is inexplicable. I would like to extend my sincere condolences to the families of the victims. Today, we have a joint statement by High Representative Ashton and Foreign Minister Lavrov. I lend, as I said, my full support behind this statement, also on behalf of the European Union. We regret the loss of life, condemn the use of violence, and demand an immediate, full, and impartial investigation. I follow the development of the situation with great attention. Above all, I appeal for a durable solution to be found to the situation in Gaza. I would also like to recall yesterday's statement and point out that the continued policy of closure is unacceptable and counterproductive. And finally, I would like to underline that peace in the Middle East must remain our ultimate goal. It is of particular importance, although the situation is more tense, that recently launched proximity talks continue.